Hey folks, thanks for joining us today. Today we're making baked clay, which coincidentally, this is also a video where it seems like I may have been baked when I was making it, even though I wasn't. This soap was such a headache, but we'll take you through the process. Clay soaps, I usually take a bit of water out, so you can see the batter's getting quite thick as I'm stick blending it. I take the water out so I can mix up the clay. This beautiful, beautiful red clay is where the clay part comes in, but also gives it the lovely red color. Of course, I stirred that in and I thought, okay, that's a pretty good consistency. And then the patchouli and citrus essential oils went in. And I had forgotten that citrus really decelerates, it's called, which means it keeps the batter thinner for longer. So here I am, basically stick blending it for another 5 minutes straight because there's going to be enough batter that I'm going to have to heap it so it can't just be runny and completely liquid when I pour it into the mold. So anyway, it was a bit of a challenge, but we got there. So then I took the soap and I dumped it into the mold. And you can see that I do have to kind of heap it because it's got sort of a little extra that goes on top. I thought at first I'll just sort of stack it on top, but then, oh wait, if there's space at the bottom, maybe I should tap it down. I instantly regretted this decision because, of course, when I tapped it down, it just sort of splatted outwards, and then I had to spend a few minutes cleaning up the sides of the mold to try to get the soap back into the mold as opposed to falling over the sides of the mold. But anyway, I finally did get it to work. I textured the top, and we have soap. Thank goodness. So this is baked clay. It is part of the Clay Nation gift set that we have available at tubbytabby.com. You can grab it either as part of the set or individually if you really just love patchouli. Thanks for watching today, and please do like and subscribe for more videos like this every Wednesday.